Well, hey there, buddy. Could you pass me that bowl of peanuts over there? Well, hey there. Haven't seen you in a while. What'd you say your name was again? Ah, yeah, right. Can I buy you a drink? You're only 3 billion years old. That's underage. Let's see, my name, my friends used to call me... What was it? Oh, yeah. God. Pull up a star and hear my tale of woe. I built a planet just a few billion years ago. It was a lovely little blue-green ball. One of my life forms became self-aware. They started messing with my recipe for air, and now that planet's got no life at all. Yeah, it's a dead planet. Yeah, I'm just getting back from the funeral. Dead planet. Don't you hate it when they leave the casket open? I got them old dead planet blues. Oh, it's a sad story, this one. Let me tell you about them critters. Them little life forms were a hungry bunch. They'd eat topsoil for breakfast. They'd eat rainforest for lunch, and they drank up all of my fossil fuels. Let out one heck of a burp. You've never seen a more destructive race. Yeah, they rigged up these nuclear suicide buttons all over the place, and they kept pouring out that CO2. Well, it wasn't in my recipe. Now it's a dead planet. Hey, anybody seen Jupiter lately? Dead planet. Tell him I got a great deal on a used moon. I got them old dead planet blues. Here comes the sad part. All their refrigerators ate up the ozone layer and flushed my food chain down the tubes. I tried to warn them of the risks they took. I sent droughts, plagues, famines, did the whole thing straight by the book, but they just kept watching reruns on TV. Say, what did they leave to the beaver anyway? When things got bad, they asked for mercy and grace, said I'd made them in my image. They insulted me to my face, so I revoked the lifetime guarantee. And now what do I do with a dead planet? Use it as a cosmic doorstop? Dead planet, hey, we can go bowling in the Pleiades. I got them old dead planet. It ain't nothing but a lifeless hunk of granite. I got them old dead planet